Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM, guys. In this video I'm talking about the future plan of the XLM Stellar Lumens. So guys, before starting this video, I want to request everybody to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Stellar XLM. So guys, you can see here the currently live price of the XLM at the market is 0.336566 USD dollar. That is the currently live price update of the Stellar XLM. And furthermore, guys, if we look the changes of the Stellar and the market, so you can see here, guys, that the last 1 hour changes of the Stellar XLM is positive, and the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Stellar XLM is completely going wrong. A big crash occur in the market, guys. But guys, you know what? That's not mean that you decide to sell if the price change is going wrong. No, never decide to sell. Personally, my friends, my research, my technical analysis about Stellar XLM tells that the future of Stellar XLM, Cardano, XRP and Dogecoin, this coin future is very bright. Now you can see here, guys, the price chart of the Stellar XLM. Absolutely a massive changes occurring in the Stellar XLM, especially in the August. You can see they changed the map. They changed the chart. You can see, but now in the latest situation, the price again pumped, and a lot of people, a lot of investor of the Stellar XLM doing a very big mistake on this time. But don't do this mistake and never do this mistake. I know every coin falls down for some time, but it's not mean then you decide to sell. Now, guys, at this time, a lot of people decide to sell, but I recommend for you that please hold. Never decide to sell, because the future plan of the Stellar XLM is very bright. Anyways, guys, that is after 2 days, after 1 week, the price will again explode. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.